Men are magnificent creatures. Some are blessed with serious skills, and some can't even fix a loose doorknob. But this guy here, he is not waving around his big tool for nothing. Oh no, he's a literal god with a chainsaw, and what he's about to make is so great that it will totally knock you off your feet. Like any self-respecting man, he starts by taking a big log. Everybody knows how important it is. Then, after marking out the rough shapes and removing any wood that's not necessary, he's ready to show some real muscle. So gather around, ladies, because tonight, it's raining men. But seriously, if you have not guessed already what he's making, I'll spoil it for you. It's a tractor, a crazy detailed one that earned him first place in the competition. But if you had to impress the judge, what would you carve?